Discover the tree of life. Moringa's 10 amazing benefits. This tree is packed with nutrients, helps fight diseases, and supports healthy skin and hair. That tree is the Moringa tree, and it's changing lives worldwide. If you're looking for a natural way to boost your energy, support your immunity, and transform your well-being, then keep watching. For years, I've been passionate about sharing the benefits of this miracle tree through high-quality Moringa products like oils, powders, and capsules that I source sustainably. Before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on more natural health tips and Moringa facts. A nutritional powerhouse. Moringa's vitamin and mineral profile. Moringa is bursting with vitamins A, C, and E, and minerals like calcium, potassium, and protein. Incorporating Moringa into your diet is like giving your body a VIP pass to the nutrient party. Moringa, your immune system's best friend. In today's world, a strong immune system is more important than ever. Moringa is packed with antioxidants that fight off nasty free radicals in your body. So if you're looking for a natural way to give your immune system an extra boost, Moringa is your go-to. Sustainable energy. Ditch the caffeine crash with Moringa. Feeling sluggish? Moringa provides a gentle, sustained energy boost that helps you power through your day without the jitters or crashes. It works in harmony with your body to provide long-lasting energy so you can stay focused and productive. Let's talk about gut health, folks. It's incredibly important for overall well-being. Moringa is a good source of fiber, promoting regular bowel movements and nourishing the good bacteria in your gut. Want radiant, glowing skin and luscious, healthy hair? Moringa is like a spa day in a plant. It's chock full of antioxidants that combat those pesky free radicals. Moringa oil is rich in vitamins A and E, known for their moisturizing and anti-aging properties. Plus, Moringa helps strengthen hair follicles, reducing hair fall and promoting growth. Maintaining healthy blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health, and Moringa can lend a helping hand. Studies have shown that Moringa can help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity. A happy heart. Moringa for cardiovascular health. Moringa contains powerful antioxidants that fight inflammation and helps lower bad cholesterol levels while increasing good cholesterol levels. Moringa, fueling your brain power. Moringa is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids which are essential for brain health, improving memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. Detox naturally, Moringa's cleansing power. We live in a world filled with toxins, and Moringa acts like a natural detoxifier, helping to cleanse your body from the inside out. It's rich in chlorophyll, a powerful plant compound that binds to toxins and helps flush them out of your system. Moringa, good for you, good for the planet. Moringa is incredibly sustainable and environmentally friendly. It can grow in harsh conditions and requires very little water and maintenance. By supporting Moringa farmers, we're not only improving our health but also contributing to a greener, more sustainable future. Unlock your health potential with Moringa. Want to experience these benefits yourself? Head to our website to explore our premium Moringa products. We offer a range of high-quality Moringa products, from powders and capsules to oils, all sustainably sourced. Make the switch to natural, sustainable wellness today. See you in the next video.